The objective of the ATM task is to test watches for atmospheric pressure. The equipment used includes a work table, a height-adjustable chair, and 7 atmospheric pressure testing machines. There are no tools used for this task. The materials used include blue bins and watch heads. Personal protective equipment includes a static suit, static shoes, a hairnet, finger cots, and floor mats. The height of the worker observed was 5 feet 9 inches. The work tasks for the ATM job begin by getting the watch head and removing its cover. Next, the cover is positioned on the work table. The worker will check the watch head crown and then position the watch head in the ATM testing unit. Next, the start button is pressed on the ATM testing unit. After this is complete, the watch head is removed from the ATM testing unit. The watch head is positioned in the blue bin, and the cover is then positioned on the watch head. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed during the ATM job task process. Repetition was rated low for this job. Hands were in steady motion or exertion to load and unload the watch heads into the ATM test units. There are, however, regular extended pauses while waiting for the test units to cycle. Sustained exertions included continuous standing, although it is important to note that a chair is available to the worker to alternate between standing and sitting. Forceful exertions are required to load and unload watch crowns into ATM test units. Awkward postures were observed in the form of torso flexion, or forward bending, and forearm pronation, or a palm down position, and extended reach to remove watches from the ATM test unit. Torso flexion, or forward bending, and forearm supination, or a palm up position, and extended reach to load watches into the ATM test unit were also observed during the job task. Wrist extension, or backwards bending, to remove and replace the watch covers, as well as neck flexion, or forward bending, and twisting to position the watch heads in the blue bins were also observed. Mechanical or localized contact stress was observed through contact stress between the wrists, hands, and forearms and the table edge. The recommendations for the ATM job task include: investigate positioning the ATM test units closer to the worker to decrease posture stress. Consider positioning padding on the table front edge and/or tabletop to decrease localized contact stress. And consider using both standing and sitting workstations to reduce static exertions.